Traders. Today I'm excited to share with one of the amazing signal that I sent today. As you can see, I sent this sell signal I sent it some few minutes ago, and look at how the market has moved. What are you still waiting for? Join the free signal group and have access to these VIP signals. See, you'd have made this money today. What are you still waiting for? Join right now. Check the link in the description and join the Telegram channel. All right. So we are not playing. We are not playing. We are not playing. We are not playing. We are killing the market daily. We are killing the market. So join the link in the video description, and also find out more in the video description. If you haven't liked the channel, just follow the channel, just like the channel, that every time when I posting, you are number one to be notified. And guess what? I've got good news for you. There is a trading strategy that I'll be posting few days from now, if not hours, few days from now. I'll be posting this strategy. All right. So as you can see, the trade is still running. So the thing is, when you join in the Telegram signal group, you'll be having access to the premium or to one of the strategy that I use to trade fundamental and also technical. All right. So join the group, guys. Join the group. Don't waste your time. Thanks.